How to unlock your Binance account. If you are trying to unlock your Binance account, you first need to open up your web browser and then simply search for Binance support. And then click on the first link on the support center. And once you land on the support page, you just need to head over to the top right on the horizontal lines. And then from here, scroll down until you find something called 24/7 chat support. Tap on it. Now you'll be taken to a different page where you will be connected with a Binance assistant and it will help you to uh, answer your questions. So click on continue as visitor for now, start chat as visitor. And once you've done that, you can just scroll down here until you find the option get support. Tap on it. Now here you'll be connected with a Binance bot and here you can ask something like my account is locked and hit enter. So here you'll find all of the related questions. So click on any of these related questions here and you'll be taken to another page and the Binance bot will respond to your question. So if your account was locked by yourself, you can unlock it after 2 hours. What you could do is go to the login page, enter account details, password, and 2FA code, and then simply click on unlock option on the pop-up message. The 2-hour mark is for security reasons, so you are going to have to wait that time and then simply log in again so you could unlock your account. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.